took the soft tissue course with Dr. Parvini. I have to say it was one of the best courses I've attended. You will always find something to learn from him, whether you are beginner or advanced, whether you want just to learn simple surgery techniques or very sophisticated ones, you will have a lot of opportunity to learn from him. His passion for teaching is just amazing. He would not leave a point until making sure that everybody understands it.
He's not only showing the perfect cases, the big cases, he's showing cases that really teaches you from the beginning to an expert level of implantologist. He shows failures, he shows also tricks that you don't always learn in the big conferences. What I also appreciate a lot about him is that he's not only showing one technique, he's quite open-minded, he tried a lot of different techniques and he really shows you everything.
I would highly recommend Dr. Puria's course because nothing remains unanswered, and trust me, a lot of questions can come up due to the high level of the course.